Everyone. Today I am back with another topic of English grammar from Ketan Jisha Group Tuition. Today we are going to learn the topic complete the sentences. But before we start this topic, you will need to check out the tenses video on our channel as it will be of so much help in this topic. And you must also have some sentence building intelligence or experience before you study this topic. Complete the sentences. What do you need to do this chapter? You will have some sentences and some brackets, and those brackets will contain a function or type of sentence according to which you will have to complete the sentence. Example is Henry was so showing result. So we have to write an answer which will show result according to this sentence. So the answer is Henry was so powerful that he threw the javelin with such a force that he won. Winning is the result here. But you can also write any other sentence. Like we studied the identification of functions, there could be more than one answers in this chapter also. Now let's move to the exercise or examples because you don't have to do much in this topic. Kamal speaks making supposition. So when you give the answer and complete the sentence, you have to make a supposition. Kamal speaks as if he is a great orator. If I had a super fast private jet, in bracket showing condition in past. So we have to show a condition which was in past. If I had a super fast private jet, I would have reached in time. I don't like eating in open space. Expressing alternative choice. So here you have to express a choice which you would rather like to choose than this choice. I don't like eating in open space. I prefer a hotel instead. If Dhoni plays expressing manner of action. So we have to show an action here. If Dhoni plays with more confidence, it is the manner of action. We will certainly win the match. It is the action. Though we reached the theater in time, expressing contrast. We have to express the contrast here. Though we reached the theater in time, we didn't get the tickets. It is a belief that expressing supposition. It is a belief that the earth will end one day. Hardly had the guests left the room, expressing time. Hardly had and when are conjunctions which express time. So expressing time is written here. Hardly had the guests left the room when all started speaking. Gandhiji was one of the showing comparison. We have to compare Gandhiji. Gandhiji was one of the most powerful leaders of the world. We are comparing him with the most powerful leaders of the world. It is astonishing that expressing wonder. We have to express a wonder here that we cannot believe. It is an unbelievable thing which has occurred. It is astonishing that a policeman is afraid of lies. I saw Niketan showing action in past. I saw Niketan playing with fire. Mr. Waggle was so forgetful that expressing a result. We have to express a result that occurred due to his forgetful nature. Mr. Waggle was so forgetful that he could not remember his birth date. As soon as he found me in difficulty, showing action. As soon as he found me in difficulty, he rushed to help me. Rushing to help me is the action here. Ankit is one of the showing comparison. Ankit is one of the finest players on the team. My friend teaches in the class showing supposition. My friend teaches in class as if he were an expert. My sir sings old songs as if dot dot dot, showing supposition. My sir sings old songs as if he were Kishore Kumar. I have a servant dot dot dot, showing action. I have a servant clean my vehicles. He was poor dot dot dot, showing contrast. In contrast, most of the time there is something good about the person or opposite about the person, or something which he should do but he is not doing. He was poor but was eager to study more. I got my bike dot dot dot, showing passive voice. I got my bike repaired by a mechanic. By a mechanic is showing passive voice here. However true your case may be, comma dot dot dot, showing contrast. However true your case may be, but you must fight for it. A school is a place dot dot dot, describing place. We have to describe school in this sentence. A school is a place where pupils get education. 21st, Mr. Desai was too deaf dot dot dot, showing comparison. Mr. Desai was too deaf to hear us screaming. Very few problems all over the world are, showing comparison. Very few problems all over the world are as big as theirs. Give the child neither a tricycle dot dot dot, showing option. So we have to show a negative option here. Give the child neither a tricycle nor a bicycle. Shatrunjaya is so high that Mr. Shah dot dot dot, showing result. Shatrunjaya is so high that Mr. Shah were not able to walk the mountain by himself. The students should use a dictionary dot dot dot, showing purpose. The students should use a dictionary to understand the meanings of difficult words. John Milton was one of the dash dot dot dot, showing comparison. John Milton was one of the richest people in the world. In spite of his being strong, comma dot dot dot, showing contrast. In spite of his being strong, he does not want to fight. Nayan was too fat dot dot dot, showing result. Nayan was too fat that he was unable to fit in that space. Very few grammar books are as useful as kings. We are comparing kings with all the grammar books. The clerk behaved as if dot dot dot, making supposition. The clerk behaves as if he were a great accountant. O.M. Shah was such a helpful person dot dot dot, showing result. O.M. Shah was such a helpful person so that no one will forget him. If my friend had invited me dot dot dot, expressing condition in past. If expresses condition always, and had is written here, so it must be in past. So express condition is past is the function here. If my friend had invited me, I would have attended his function. We went to the market dot dot dot, showing purpose. For what purpose or work we got to the market? We went to the market to buy the ingredients. See, I want to say again that these 30 sentences and these 30 answers were, by my view, my point of view. But if you want to write any other sentence which can come at these brackets, which can replace these sentences but show the same meaning as these brackets, you can write them. So if you need a little exercise, go back into the video and start over from the first number, and also, and as I speak the answers, try to make more two answers of all these sentences. It will be a great exercise for you. And if any of these brackets come in exams, you will be able to solve them by a snap, and you will not lose any marks in this exam. So for the people who don't want to lose any marks, go back into the video, start over from the exercise, and do make more two sentences after which answer I have given you. Till so now this topic ends here. See you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell after subscribing so you will be notified about all my future video uploads. Till then,